views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic. Bye bye. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khushamdeed.
Assalamualaikum.
Satsakal.
మీకు అందరికి వందనము.
Jai Swaminarayan.
జై శ్రీకృష్ణ.
Jai Junendra.
మరి స్మాల పాపంతో బోల్తే యా అలిమదద్.
You totally sound like Salman Khan's by Sohail Khan.
What?
That's what
What?
Sohail Khan talks also, by the way.
I know. या अलिमदद.
या बोला नहीं मतलब बोलते हैं सारे पीछे मतलब बोलेगा ईसा बोला बट जब हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे में सवाल तू बाबा.
And of course, myself, Faltu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए को drive time show that's going to be totally exciting and totally mastani bandujane.
And of course, but you guys should know that this actually is the Mahila March, as in the March of the females.
The march of the females.
Yes.
The march of the mahilas.
Yes, but so we thought we should just keep it in line with that itself. And of course, yes, last week, Fatoni, we had so many, reviews about shabashia or things flowing on our Facebook page about the topic we did, right?
Right.
And one of our very popular, so basically, out of popular demand, we are bringing back one of the themes from last week.
Right.
तो
क्योंकि इतने सारे उद्योग हैं हमने इतने बनाए भी नहीं थे ना. We had only like 3 or 4 udyogs that we covered. I don't even remember
many more. In fact, we started off by saying that Indian cinema has not covered so much of udyog of women, but we dug further and we found many more. And many women actually asked us, actually the most popular demand is a topic वापस आ रहा है called Mahila Udyog because Deepa is very popular in Mountain House. So she actually asked us to see if we can bring it back in this week as well. Since we had so much of content, so I said, why not, right?
Yeah.
So, but then we're going to ask you right now as to our Indian cinema, the lead female lead. I don't want to, sometimes I feel like, is there an actual word called heroine, Fadwani? You're a person of who you actually have eaten the thesaurus and had with chai, coffee and everything, right? So in the whole thesaurus thing, is there a meaning for heroine?
Is there a meaning for heroine now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Who's a heroine though?
Who's a heroine? A hero. Somebody who's a hero. What do you mean by hero?
Story ka hero bolenge na?
The protagonist. The female protagonist is a heroine.
So the female protagonist doesn't have to just be the love interest for the hero.
No, of course not. Of course not. But unfortunately, हमारे Indian film industry में, especially in the Hindi film industry, इतना focus किया नहीं जाता है on developing the character of the heroine in the movie.
And always it is the journey of the hero, as in the male protagonist, as opposed to the female protagonist.
Correct, Munda.
The female protagonist always put it a sidekick.
Right.
Mm-hmm. And of course, 80s, 90s, of course, my goodness, dark age of Indian cinema. They didn't even properly have the protagonist also portrayed, actually.
No, man, they would have female protagonists, but the female protagonists were the ones who were forgiving of their cheating husbands, their cheating boyfriends. They will say, Mera pati, tera bhi hai.
Mera pati Parmeshwar.
Nahi.
No, is it?
Huh? They don't. Mera pati Parmeshwar. No, it's like.
Hey, but when they can say Mera pati Parmeshwar, why can't the pati say Meri patni
Parvati.
Sati Savitri?
Sati Savitri.
Yeah, why can't they say that kind of stuff and all?
I don't know, man. I don't know. Seriously, good question.
It's like, you're imposing so much on the female thing. Come on, it's not fair at all, dude.
Because
seriously.
the narrative is written by a man, largely. And people will not admit this, but that's actually true.
Well, sometimes I feel like, it's not fair. Is it like only the men who decide what movies to watch? Seriously, I'm asking the question. Seriously, is it the men who decide what movies to watch?
No, it's the men who decide to tell stories.
That's why it's called his story, not her story.
Correct.
Huh? Revelation.
Oh my God!
Welcome, Deepa ji. Welcome, Meenakshi ji. Sorry. If at all you plan to get internet connection, I can tell you who not to go to.
Yeah, Xfinity.
Yes,
Don't go.
I will.
I'm
openly,
really, if Xfinity,
openly.
yeah.
Listening to that now, we actually having lots of trouble with you guys. I'm sorry. You might say, "Iske kya upgrading ki aad mein?" But no, I don't think it's that case.
Itna annoying hai, Bandhan. It's
Yeah.
unbelievable the amount of money we pay
Yeah.
just to make sure that because we run several different streams,
Yeah.
we pay so much money and still they don't know how to like take care of their customers.
Yeah. So Deepa, you're right. We can't have a session without blaming the 90s and 80s.
No, we can't, Deepa. Absolutely not.
Alright, so that let me tell you about Mahila Udyog. We're talking about different traits which have been portrayed by our female protagonists in our Indian cinema, right?
Correct.
I sometimes feel like whenever I use the word heroine,
Huh.
it actually becomes like a second to the hero. I don't know. That's not the way it should be actually.
That's in your head. There's nothing
really?
like that. Yeah, it's just.
Oh
in
my
your head.
God, in my head, so I don't want to use it, Fatwani.
Well, yeah, you can't. Don't use the word heroine.
No,
What word
will you
you-
female protagonist? Why can't a hero? Why can't a female? Fatwani, you're a hero, Fatwani.
Okay, thank you. I am a hero.
Yes,
I
you
know.
are.
I
Yeah.
know. I'm a hero.
Yeah, hero.
तू है hero मेरा. I'm talking to
Thank you,
myself.
Fatwani.
My
Oh, I thought you talked to me.
तेरे को गाना है मेरे लिए. मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा नहीं.
Hey,
तू
कभी
है हीरो मेरा.
देखो
That
फातुनी,
should
don't
be-
forget the fact that गुरु को कभी तिरुमंत्र नहीं पढ़ाते हैं. Huh? You don't actually turn back to the.
कौन है रे गुरु?
Huh?
कौन गुरु है
Oh
यहाँ
my
पे?
God! Anyway, Faltoni, it has to be a lesson in humility for you to understand, and for me to just take a deep breath and practice the wisdom skills I've
Okay,
been.
I have to get to the point. We've already lost so much time. Let's get 6:06 now. Let's start. क्योंकि तू हीरोइन के बारे में बात करते करते इतना टाइम गवा दिया. अभी क्या महिला उद्योग?
I'm sorry, Faltoni.
हाँ.
As a feminist, I don't think how much of our time we spend talking about women is a waste of time. No, I'm sorry. That's why I say people like you are the big villains for women around the world.
Oh
my God, what wasting time.
Where has he talked about, Bhudijan, where did he talk anything about women? He just talked about me
No.
and how I should.
No, I didn't. I talked about how Indian cinema has portrayed women and how it is not portrayed them with all the wonderful, beautiful, what do you call phases or what do you call it, right? Of women, right? That's what it is. So, come on, Fatwani, what is this?
Okay, Alto Baba, go ahead.
And Tego, even Meenakshi, here you goes again. Here he goes again.
Exactly. Thank you very much. Finally, people are getting to see the real you.
I know, Meenakshi ji, and you are a hero also, Meenakshi ji. So are you, Deepa ji. Now, Fatwani, how about we do this? Last week, we actually did a whole bunch of things where we talked about the trade, talked about the hero, and we talked about all the stuff, right?
Right.
Now, how about we talk about a profession, which is, and our bandhus have to call up and tell us who was the person who portrayed that role or which movie it was.
Which movie it was?
Yeah.
We're talking about a profession which, let me tell you, Banjan, at one time was considered taboo for Indian girls to be going into. Girls from respectable families. Let's put it that way.
I have a very strong feeling we touched upon this particular profession in the previous hour,
Yeah.
previous show last week.
Towards the fag end of the show,
We did.
because Deepa mentioned that particular profession with regard to a very passing reference to it in the movie Anjam. It wasn't like a real, a big reference to it. But we are talking about this particular profession, Manjan, which was considered taboo for a lot of girls from so-called respectable families, purely because of the amount of time that a girl needs to be away from home, and the fact that girls in the air were considered fair game for a lot of, the high-flying business class people kind of thing.
Oh my God, are you
So-
giving away the answer, Faltruani?
I'm talking about the profession, dude.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Yeah,
fine.
you want to know which movie, right?
Oh, that's right. Which profession and which movie you got, Harbhajan? 4089122479.
Even the profession they have to tell
No,
us.
sorry. Profession you're going to share. They're going to the movie it was.
Yeah,
That's
so
right.
this particular profession is that of an air hostess, Manajan, or what you call air stewardess in the skies, and especially international level पे international flights में काम करना almost ये था, मतलब गुनाह था for people would say, oh, she'll get spoiled if she goes on that particular thing. Of course, it was a very glamorous profession, definitely. After modeling and films, this was a very glamorous profession.
Yeah, so he's saying that being part of the cabin crew was actually something not looked upon in a right way. But of course, nevertheless, many people actually became those cabin crews were revolutionary in their own ways.
Yes, because
they wanted to fight against all stuff. They wanted to go see the world.
Yeah.
And you know what was the selling point for all these people to go watch the world, see the world?
What?
But that was the whole thing. Going and seeing the world was that selling point to become a cabin crew remember.
Correct.
And they call them as stewardesses, Bandujan, air hostess, what they call them. But also, let's not forget the fact that there are also one particular portion where this particular trade for men is not something which is taken into consideration as much. When they talk about air hostess or somebody in the cabin crew, it generally goes into the concept of the fact that it's got to be a lady.
Right.
Right? But there are men also who actually are stewards. Am I saying it right? Stewards? Stewards.
Yeah.
Bandujan. But you got to call over here, Bandujan, towards us, 408-912-179. Hello, hi, who's this?
Bam.
Oh my God, what happened? Stuffy nose?
नहीं, I called after so long. That's all.
That's all. I thought you got stuffy nose, Meghaji, because I thought I heard you loud and clear on Saturday. I was like, what? Suddenly Meghaji is like, having stuffy nose and all like 2 days. How are you doing, Meghaji?
I'm doing good. I did not listen to the show before this, but I just saw posts on the group, so I said, okay, let me chime in. Looks like an interesting topic.
Wonderful.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
indeed.
In fact, you are a person that we want to ask also, because you're also one of those women who actually have, broken the stereotype and all, and you're a hero in your own words, in your own world, and we consider you a hero as well.
Yeah.
So, batao, hame ki, we are talking about Mahila Udyog, as in how Indian cinema has portrayed women in different trades. Yeah, there's a story, they say.
Huh.
Many times the story doesn't have details about fact of what they're doing professionally or whatever, right? They only talk about the emotional part of women. So,
You don't get meat, right? Women don't get the meat. They are generally put in most of the movies as eye candy.
Exactly.
Wait now, wait earlier.
yeah, so we're talking about one particular movie which actually focused on this particular person, and the person was the hero of the movie.
Oh.
How was that, Faldrani?
That's right.
The person was the hero of the movie. It was a female, but the hero of the movie. And
in real life, the person was a hero too. She herself, a real life. It was based on a real life person who was a hero. In every sense of the term.
Yeah.
So, which movie are we talking about? This particular profession of an air hostess.
So, are we talking about Neerja then?
my God. Are we, Faldrani?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are.
That's one of the
Congratulations.
movies.
I called when I heard this. I remembered Faltu Rani, and I remembered Tumhari Sullu.
On air. That's true. That also is there. Faldrani.
Huh.
Oh my God, you're Tumhari Sullu, huh?
Tumhari Sulu. Why?
She's not Tumhari Sullu. She's much, much, much better than Tumhari Sullu.
I know, because she doesn't go, hello. Yeah, boy, think you don't make
She
laddus.
anything, not just hello. She brings in a lot of things, not just one side of that.
That's true. That's
Perspective.
true. Yeah. That's true, Faldrani. I totally agree with her on this.
Really?
Okay, I want to ask you one thing. Being in the air, or not on the air, in the air,
Yeah.
stewardess is one particular trade. You rightly talked about it. How about women who actually was portrayed as a pilot? Can you think of a movie?
अभी वो पायलट वाला कोई जानवी कपूर का मूवी आया था, I don't know.
Very good. But it came in the
What?
COVID
Yeah, I
times,
think
right?
it
Yeah.
came in the COVID, and COVID में बाकी इतनी चीजें हो गई कि मूवी तो मतलब एक तरह से बैक सीट ही ले ली है.
Exactly. But anyway, Janvi Kapoor seems like a COVID star to me anyways.
Really?
Yeah.
She's there's another movie of hers. It's doing really well, by the way.
What?
I really want to go watch this movie. It's
Which
a movie
one?
called Ruhi.
Yeah.
It's
COVID
doing-
times के लिए अच्छा है.
It's doing COVID times के लिए नहीं. Movie is doing well at the box office.
25% capacity in the theaters is a good turn anytime. She's
हाँ,
that kind of a person. She can fill 25% of the theater.
I've heard mixed reviews. अभी जितने भी
Thank you,
reviews
yes.
पढ़े हैं, mixed reviews ही आए हैं, so I don't know.
Hey, इधर भी mixed reviews है बाद में. After looking at the preview, right, Megha ji, I felt that movie was not like kind of a thing, but Father was like, oh no, it's wonderful.
No, I want to go see the movie. I really want to see it purely because I like what's his name, Rajkumar Rao, and I liked Stree. Whatever people
Hey,
may
I
say,
love
like
threes. That's a different issue.
the movie Stree.
Feedback which people are saying, if you like Stree and go with that expectation, you will not like the movie. If you don't go with that expectation, probably you will like the movie.
Yeah,
No.
he's right. Megha has got wisdom there. She says that don't go with
I
expectations.
don't go with
Father.
any expectation.
You know what happened to last time with expectations?
What?
You don't remember, Father?
The only movie that I heard, not Thugs of Hindustan. I never went with the expectations.
Not you.
of that.
I went with that.
You went with that, yes. But I went with with huge expectations to Happy New Year. Oh my God, what a disappointment that movie was. I was like, Boman Irani and Shah Rukh Khan, and I mean, I'm like,
Cast totally misfit. movie.
Yeah.
I don't know. That movie was such a disaster. And I
The
thought,
only miss who was fit in that was Deepika Padukone.
no, she too. No.
She was fit in that, right?
She's
Come
not
on.
fit. She looked really sickly in the
Hey,
movie.
come on, what is this? She was fit.
That
What
was
are
at
you
the
gonna do?
peak of her depression. Hello. Be
What do you
quiet.
mean?
Look at the movie.
Don't try to do all this
में
stuff.
किसी ने भी जान दिया, सब लोग ऐसे जबरदस्ती ऐसे मतलब लग रहा था कि आ गए एक्टिंग करके चले गए बस खत्म.
That's true.
क्यों बनाए?
Same.
They were like so least interested, least
Yeah.
bothered kind of movie.
It
में.
seemed that way to
I
me
know.
also.
I also felt like I think Farah Khan took her comedy too seriously. Don't you think?
No,
I felt like she just thought, oh, everything I do is so funny. And she
ना
did
वो funny था, ना वो हाइस था, ना वो
Exactly.
romantic drama था, कुछ भी नहीं था. सबका इतना खिचड़ी हो गया था कि
It was just a bakwas movie. Anyway, I didn't like the movie at all. I think everybody did the movie because they're all good friends of Farah. And I felt that there could not be a
they could
more...
have done it well. They could have done it well. It was not a bad plot. They could have executed. I think the execution was horrible.
They lost the plot. They lost
They
the
lost
screenplay.
plot somewhere. They
completely.
lost. The direction was bad. The execution was bad. मतलब कहाँ they started well and then मतलब कहाँ कहानी चली गई? What are you trying to say? मतलब you're adding too many subplots.
Yeah, it seemed to me like I always say this, right? When you lose the purpose of doing something, you can't do anything rightly. I think they lost the purpose of telling a story to making money. They made money because of tourism of Dubai and everything, right? They all got funded by the sheikhs and everything, and they did all the world tours and everything, thugging people all the way.
Excuse me, both of you, Megha and Altu Baba, both of you, I'm going to use Pranamji's dialogue. विषय से भटको मत. तुम लोग महिला उद्योग में चालू करके कहाँ कहाँ चले
और
गए?
महिला उद्योग में भटक नहीं रहे. देखो उसको भी अच्छे से
Yes.
दिखा सकते थे ना.
Yes.
She was a professional dancer.
Yes.
उसका कचरा कर दिया इस movie में.
Thank you, thank
हाँ.
you. Megha ji, and second thing is we're talking Mahila Udyog as in the Udyog of direction, right? The profession of,
Direction,
and Farah Khan is lady.
was not, Udyog of direction was totally not good here. And the whole idea, they could have utilized it so well.
Yeah.
She was an artist who
Yeah.
was like, कितना art है, art.
Yeah.
उसको अच्छे से दिखा सकते थे उस आर्ट को ना. उसका प्रोफेशन को कचरा कर दिया.
Exactly, they पूरा dancing profession को उन्होंने पूरा ये कर दिया. It's like they made us seem like as if she was just a what do you call two-time bar dancer, not a person dedicated to art.
हाँ,
I don't know, but anyway, Megha ji, thank you so much.
They could have done it. See, movies, that's what happens, right? So अगर एक women के profession को आप ठीक से दिखाओगे, तो you can show a lot of things.
Correct. Yes, I agree with you. And that is what we're talking about today, Mahila Udyog. Why they don't show about all those things which you can show about a profession. Like
Right.
professional profession, right?
Not just this. हाँ, मतलब अगर आप कुछ भी मूवी भी दिखाते हो तो एक women का दिखाते हैं वो ऑफिस जाती है क्या करती है वो कभी नहीं दिखाते. एक आदमी जाता है तो बताते हैं अच्छा कम से कम ये बताते हैं कि वो आर्किटेक्ट है वो फलाना है ये क्या.
Correct.
Women से मतलब they just dismiss it out.
And the way, what I didn't like about the particular movie, I'll tell you, Fathrani, about the Happy New Year, which is your favorite movie, which you went to go and you got disappointed and came back. You notice one thing, that movie also, she's shown to be a professional dancer, but what does she end up doing with the team? Housekeeping. No, housekeeping. She cleans the place up.
What?
Yeah.
That's what they show. Yeah.
Yeah, end of the day, like, women come, they're supposed to keep the place clean. What is this? Seriously, the housekeeping people are what?
Well, here's the thing, right?
Ah.
So, what I take offense with with the Hindi film industry is that they don't build upon the character of the Mahila or the Mahila Udyog,
Yes.
except the roles of where she's a dancer or perhaps a singer or perhaps an acrobat or some nonsense like that.
Acrobat.
Yeah. They'll show something like that. I think in
वो बिल्डअप ठीक से नहीं देते हैं ना.
हाँ.
उस चीज बिल्डअप ठीक से नहीं मिलता है.
हाँ.
सेम चीज का बिल्डअप किसी और को अच्छे से मिलता है. That's what I'm saying. So Happy New Year, had they made it in a different way,
Yeah.
had they had a male dancer, they could have done it in a different way. उसको थोड़ा वो मिलता कुछ मिलता. They just kill the character.
Yeah.
अगर उसको डांसर भी दिखाते हैं, अगर उसको एक्रोबैट भी दिखाते हैं, दूसरी चीजों पे फोकस चला जाता है rather than on her profession and मतलब उसकी प्रोफेशन को आप एक्सपैंड भी नहीं करते हैं.
Correct.
Yeah.
What true. And again, Megha ji, thank you so much for your call. You're 100% right about that, Faltani. Because that's why you should bring this kind of topics, Faltani. It's like thought-provoking topics. People are listening and learning about it right now. They'll
Nahin.
ask. Hopefully, a next movie will come where they'll show all these things about the udyog of women. Yeah, go on, Faltani.
हाँ तो मैं एक चीज पूछना चाहती हूँ मेघा जी से. मेघा जी, I know that you are a very successful woman at work, and that you're in the IT profession, right? Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think any Hindi film has shown or has built a character around being an IT professional. Indian heroine.
No, they don't do justice. अगर को बताते भी हैं तो बताते हैं कि हाँ वो ये वाला काम करती है, वहाँ जाती है, but what exactly are they doing? What are their challenges? इतना कुछ बता सकते हैं. Nothing has been spoken about anything.
चलो यार मेघा जी, आल्टू और मैं आपसे या जूम रूम लगा के बैठक करेंगे, हम लोग पिक्चर बनाएंगे. बिल्कुल
हम लोग अपना जैसे सीतायन बनाया है वैसे we should do some kind of at least थिएटर तो हम कर ही सकते हैं. अगर मूवी तक भी जाएंगे किसी ना किसी दिन, बट थिएटर तक तो हम लेके जा सकते हैं.
अरे हम लोग ना एक बनाएंगे ना महाअमेरिका. महाअमेरिका
Okay,
महाभारत महाअमेरिका.
आप ना आपका शो बहुत लोग सुनते हैं. आप इसको कहीं रख लो, पता चला कोई मूवी बन गई है महाअमेरिका करके.
ओह वाओ.
और आप लोगों को क्रेडिट भी नहीं मिलेगा.
ओह माय गुडनेस.
आप लोगों ने पिछली बार भी ऐसे कुछ तो भी कहा था, कोई तो भी मूवी का नाम बन गया था. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर इट नाउ, बट देन आई सेड सी दिस इज व्हाट यू हैड शोड इन योर शो.
That's right.
तो मेघा जी ने ही तो बताया था आल्टू बाबा कि हमारे जो यहाँ पे थीम्स होते हैं इसको कॉपी करके इंडिया में मूवीज बनाते हैं.
Correct.
मूवीज भी बनाते हो,
शो, हाँ रेडियो प्रोग्राम है.
And to my mom, after 2-3 weeks, she says like exactly the same thing was done at their radio channel.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Well, it's. I take it as a compliment, but I agree what you're saying. Yes, sir. हम लोग ना please, brother, listen to us right now. Keep it within yourself. If you want to roll in the Mahaamerica, please send us a message. We'll definitely make sure we cooperate.
And let's tell you, the ideas that we have. Only we have those kind of ideas.
Yes,
if you take it and make it a half-baked thing, it'll not succeed.
Yeah.
It's like you need our bandhutva, you need our group to come together and make it happen. Right,
and of course, if you want to become music directors, please contact me. I have a little bit of genes of Varnu Malik in me because I am also November 2nd born. So we'll copy tunes like, Mahaamerica. Mahaamerica.
Oh God, stop.
We'll do all those things for that. It'll be nice. I've got a nice storyline already in mind right now. मेगा जी थोड़ा बैठक लगाते हैं हम लोग.
हाँ,
Zoom पे पकौड़ा करे खाते हुए हम लोग चाय के साथ. That's true.
नहीं मेघा जी आपको आना पड़ेगा. It's now in red tier.
वैक्सीनेशन होता है तब कुछ आते हैं जैसे ही हमारा नंबर आता है.
Yes.
आ गया सोचो कि आ ही गया.
हमारा बुलावा आ गया. चलो बुलावा
आ गया.
Thank you so much.
Thank you Megha ji for calling in. Have a beautiful fantastic evening and thank you so much. And why did she say तुम्हारी सुलू to me because I'm serial entrepreneur, is it?
No.
Oh yeah, not like that. See you.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, TV serial entrepreneur. Yes, you are. She like Faltani is.
Bala, she's still there. Why you like not letting her talk?
तुम्हारी सुलू when I said right. See, you are an entrepreneur. You think and you are on radio. See, Vidya Balan had played a radio jockey in Munna Bhai also, but उसने भी उसके रोल को बहुत छोटा सा दिखा के खत्म कर दिया था. That's where I'm saying. तुम्हारी सुलू में थोड़ा अच्छे से दिखाया है कि how she manages house and everything. You do so many things. You manage your house. You manage Pragya. You manage so many things.
Thank you.
Juggle and you live a life which is very rarely shown such kind of life in the movie. So, इसीलिए मैंने I कहा कि you are doing some great things.
I agree, Faltani. You're total like you're like if there's a Mr. Manager, you're like Miss Manager. So you're like you totally mismanage everything.
Oh my God!
Oh my goodness!
What did I say? Oh, excuse me.
I am Mrs. Manager.
Oh, you're Mrs.
Not
Manager.
Miss Manager.
She misses everything in manager.
Yeah.
Okay, Very good. So, Megha ji, thank you so much for calling us. Wonderful. After this, the life बना दिया अभी.
Thank you so much. You just made my day and the rest of my week.
Flattery gets her everywhere.
Yeah, flattery gets everybody everywhere.
No, you of course, yes. You go to all places.
It's a flattery and some things you really feel. So this is something which I really feel from the bottom of my heart.
Oh, thank you so much. Love you. Thank you so much.
इससे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट को नहीं मिलने वाला है फालतू.
हाँ.
मौके का पूरा इस्तेमाल कर ले तू. तू पूरा शो ले ले तो अभी.
पूरा शो मैं ले लूँ.
अपने नाम पे ले तो बोल रहा हूँ.
मेघा थोड़ा बर्नॉल लेके आना, आलतू को जलन हो रही है.
बर्नॉल की जरूरत नहीं है, हम तो बस चंदन लगाते हैं. But thank you so much, Megha ji, for calling us.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good one.
You know, she actually got a point, Faltwani.
What?
Why is that? Why don't they show details of the work they do? Like Deepa is posting and saying the acrobats. There's one particular movie which got acrobatics in it. The heroine's acrobatics. But they don't show Deepa. That movie you're talking about on Facebook, you got to follow here. Another one I'm going to share it, okay?
Yeah.
She says the heroine has been shown as an acrobat. But yeah, I don't think they show her as an acrobat. She just comes in as a dancer and she does acrobatic tricks, that's all. That's what I felt.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know if you're watching.
Well,
right?
I don't know, and I don't care about acrobats. That's not something that I'm going to like feature today. Yeah, today we're talking about like different types of professions. हमेशा दिखाते हैं that they just show like even they'll show that they are dancers or they are like singers or they are like क्या ऐसे teachers. उनके हिसाब से जो हीरो एक लेडी का प्रोफेशन होना चाहिए. वैसे एक्ट्रेस ऐसे दिखाया क्या कोई मूवी? Where the heroine, the story is about an actress.
Good question to ask, Faltani.
Yeah, let's ask. There is we want 2 movies, Manjan, which specifically talk about the life of an actress.
Why 2 movies?
2 movies.
To make
because,
it difficult.
Yeah, to make it difficult.
Okay.
One from more recent millennial era, and the other one prior to that. There, we want to know.
No,
if
biopics will not work.
Was that a biopic?
No,
No,
they would
it's
have been
not.
biopic. No, I said biopics will not work. Yeah.
So we want to know, that what is a movie in which the Mahila Udyog is that of an actress? 408-912-2479. आपको इस number पे call करना है. But I think Altu Baba is playing us a song from the. Are you playing from Nirja? Are you playing a song?
I thought you wanted Nija song, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what song from Nija did you want?
There's beautiful songs. I love the song Aisa Kyun Ma, but it's kind of a sad song. And then there is another beautiful song called Gehra Ishq.
So you want the sad song or the sad Gehra song?
I am asking, मेघा आंसर नहीं लिखने का फेसबुक पे, लिख दिया आंसर. मेरे को मालूम था 100% मेघा को मालूम रहेगा.
Mega, I definitely know all this. Faltani. Come on, what are you talking
So
about?
Bandhu's call in. We'd love to hear your answers. 408-912-2479. There's another song in the movie Nirja called Jeete Hain Chal, I think, right? Or it doesn't matter, Altu Baba, any song from that
Today,
movie.
Faltani, because it's all your thing, how about I play a song which you will love, Faltani?
Okay, Altu Baba.
Deep Love.
या शेखर रवजियानी की आवाज में सुनिएगा बंदूजान. ये गाना विशाल खुराना का म्यूजिक है शायद, आई थिंक.
And Prasun Joshi ka composition, Batajan.
हवा तेरी उड़ने लगी, हस्ती मेरी ओ खुशबू खुशबा महका इश्क, डूबा डूबका गहरा इश्क.
And of course, बजट गाने की ओर आएंगे हम लोग, लेकिन पहले जाएंगे एक बंधु की ओर. नमस्कार, आपका हर्ष वदे पाम पाम के महिला उद्योग मंडीज में. Who's this? Hello.
लो पैम पैम.
ओहो, दीपा जी माउंटेन हाउस से आप कॉल कर रही हैं. बहुत खुशी हो रही है आपका आवाज सुन के. कैसे हैं आप?
आल्तू बाबा, मैं ठीक हूँ. आप लोग कैसे हो?
You know Altu Baba, or you know, okay, fine. You know Deepa,
नहीं,
मैं भी ठीक
मैं
हूँ.
कुछ और बोलने वाली थी, फिर ऐसे मैंने ऐसे
क्यों?
बोला.
बोल दो कह दो कि तुम हो मैं. I talk.
Like that.
Yes, ये मेरा टैलेंट है. मैं आवाज निकालता हूँ, आप लोग समझते हो कौन है.
आहा
ये मेरा टैलेंट है, राइट?
हाँ दीपा, सिर्फ तू निकाल सकती है ऐसे, क्योंकि ये अगर फरहान अख्तर की आवाज में बात करेगा हमें ऐसा लगेगा कि कुलभूषण खरबंदा की आवाज निकाल रहा है.
क्योंकि तुम्हें समझ नहीं है बात. देखो फालतू नहीं. एक मिनट दीपा जी, एक मिनट. मैं बताता हूँ, आना जी हमारी प्यारी आना जी है, बोलती है कि फालतू नहीं वेरी गुड एक्सप्रेसिंग, बट समझ में मुश्किल हो जाती है उसको, तो समझती नहीं तू ना फालतू नहीं. वही प्रॉब्लम है.
आना जी, देखा कौन आपको बार बार रेडियो पे से फेमस कर रहा है, मुझे इनफेमस करने के प्रयास में.
ऐसे क्यों बोलते हो फालतू नहीं? तुझे बाद में मैं था, तू तो यार तू बहुत फेमस है.
रहने आल्तू बाबा.
अरे रहने क्या, तू बहुत फेमस है. दीपा, डोंट यू नो हु फालतू रानी इज? यस देखा.
अरे फालतू रानी, तुम तो अभी देखो महिला मुक्ति मोर्चा के प्रेसिडेंट हो. कुछ भी ऐसे नहीं.
गॉड दीपा, कंटिन्यू.
हाँ, अरे ये पूरा महीना क्या, पूरा जिंदगी, पूरा पैम शो.
कंटिन्यू दीपा.
वो कोई झिंझक नहीं कर रही है, वो झिंझक नहीं कर रही है. अगर मैं तबला बजाती हूँ तो वो झिंझक नहीं. वो
दीपा कंटिन्यू प्लीज. इसके उसके बारे में थोड़ा बोल देना, वरना बुरा मजा.
एक ही बोलूंगी, एक ही बात बोलूंगी. अभी जब तुम नहीं रहती हो ना, कभी कभी तुम मीटिंग में बिजी रहती हो, आल्तू बाबा को देखना चाहिए. उसको शो रन करने में इतनी मुश्किल होती है. चेहरा पूरा उतरा हुआ रहता है. ऐसे बोलता है अभी.
हाँ, सही बात है दीपा. बता
देखो, जब मैं नहीं रहती हूँ खुशी खुशी करता है शो.
अरे नहीं
अरे, कोई गलतफहमी है।
मैं वही बोल रही, यू आर वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट।
हाँ, बताओ।
जब तुम रहती हो तभी वो शो अच्छा रहता है, वो चलाता है, वरना वो थोड़ा उदास रहता है।
एग्जैक्टली, थोड़ा और बताना।
यहाँ पे ऐसे एक्शन कर रहा है, तुझे देखना चाहिए दीपा फेसबुक पे, ऐसे जैसे पंप मार रही है वैसे में एक्शन कर रहा है।
पंप क्या मारना यार? अरे
अरे
तेरे-
नहीं,
नहीं
अरे
नहीं,
देखो,
अरे-
दिल्ली से बोल रही हूँ बाबा।
हाँ,
अगर-
मालूम है
देखो-
दीपा,
देखो
thank you so
दीपा
much,
दीपा
thank
अगर
you.
एक बड़ा सा गुब्बारा है तो उसको फुलाने के लिए हॉट एयर तो चलना पड़ेगा ना।
Oh,
तो बोलो, बता उसको। और बोलो दीपा, come
Oh
on.
my God.
क्या
He's
दीपा?
so bad. He's so bad. चलो
मैंने
ठीक है।
क्या? अरे वाह!
You're not a feminist, man. You're really a misogynist. The way you make comments.
Oh
na,
my
seriously.
God.
हाँ.
Anyway, see, all great men are misunderstood always. It's okay.
He called himself a great man. Oh God.
I called you a miss and you understood, right? Very good. तो दीपा जी थोड़ा और इसके बारे में अच्छा बोल देना, वरना बुरा मान जाती है।
हाँ हाँ तो hey be quiet. विषय से भटको मत आलतू बाबा।
मैं भटका रहा हूँ
तो
यार।
दीपा जी
Exactly.
बताइए। हाँ
वैसे ही बहुत देर से आए हो आज।
हाँ नहीं वो हम लोग बहुत टाइम पे पहुंच गए थे। स्टूपिड एक्सफिनिटी बार बार मैं कोसूंगी एक्सफिनिटी को बार बार।
हाँ, कोसो।
हाँ हमें हमारा इंटरनेट कनेक्शन डाउन था सो वी कुडंट एक्चुअली गेट ऑन एयर। इट्स रिडिकुलस।
ओ या that's good. तो मैं बोलने वाली थी वो धूम 3 का जो मैंने लिखा ना कटरीना का,
हाँ
तो एक्चुअली शी कम्स फॉर एन इंटरव्यू, तो वो दिखाती है वो गाना, अगर आप देखोगे तो इट्स अ सर्कस कंपनी एंड शी कम्स एज अ परफॉर्मर देयर, इंटरव्यू देने के लिए अपना परफॉर्मेंस देने के लिए आती है। दैट्स व्हेन द सॉन्ग इज पिक्चराइज्ड, तो उसमें दिखाया गया है उसका काम, इसलिए मैंने ऐसे बोला।
लेकिन एक्चुअली दीपा, I'll tell you one thing, वो फिल्म में सच्चाई थी यार, सच्ची में।
कौन सी फिल्म
हाँ,
में?
वो फिल्म अबाउट सर्कस, मैं वहाँ बैठ के सर्कस के बैठ गया था।
क्या?
मैं
क्या?
अपना सर्कस के बैठा। Oh my God, headache. हाँ।
Oh my goodness.
That movie was so
एंड
predictable.
वन मोर थिंग, मैंने बोला ना आईटी फालतू रानी, तुमने पूछा, मैंने इमीडिएटली आंसर दिया। इनफैक्ट लास्ट टाइम भी मैंने बोला था,
हाँ.
बधाई वो मूवी लास्ट ईयर आया था ना,
हाँ
तो उसमें वो
लास्ट ईयर नहीं, year before
that-
last year 2019 में आया था। हाँ हाँ
या 19 या 18 पता नहीं, तो वो आई थिंक इट वाज इन 18 शायद। सो बोथ ऑफ देम वर्क इन द सैमसंग कंपनी आईटी डिवीजन,
Very
तो
good.
उसको दिखाया गया है। दे अटेंड मीटिंग्स, दे गो टू ऑफिस टुगेदर, दे हैव शोन दैट
अच्छा okay
Oh.
so they are
very
IT
nicely.
but where is they build
मॉडर्न दिल्ली कपल का जो हाउ दे उनके बीच में ये आ जाता है द इशू।
Hey, but can people from the same company get married, Deepa? I thought there was a policy behind on that, not to have same
correct
couples working in same. Is there a policy that way, like an
नहीं,
answer
ऐसा कुछ
rule?
नहीं,
अच्छा,
ऐसा
ऐसा
कुछ
नहीं
नहीं।
है।
are you
अच्छा।
sure
Are you sure, Deepa?
यस आई एम श्योर,
no in
कहीं
many
भी नहीं है, इधर भी नहीं है, उधर भी नहीं है।
नहीं है in many companies there's something about
Unsaid rule.
fraternizing
अच्छा बाबा, कंपनी होगा लेकिन उस मूवी में तो दिखाया गया है।
अच्छा, movie भी नहीं है बोल रहा। हाँ, because I thought you were very sure about the world actually, but no, okay, fine. Movies.
नहीं
नहीं मतलब या
So in this movie, so Megha writes a very pertinent point on Facebook. She says the development of the character and the fact that she's a professional or she is managing a work life as well is not developed in movies. In a large number of movies, it's just a passing reference, if any, but they don't really show, they don't develop that character as to, you know, building that in. Whereas
हाँ, वैसे पूरा नहीं कर सकते ना। देखो मेरे हिसाब से जितना दिखाते हैं, आई नो दे शुड शो मोर, बट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द स्टोरी लाइन ना। यू कांट जस्ट मेक इट लाइक अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री ऑफ सम जॉब। अब अगर इंसान मूवी देखने के लिए क्यों जाता है, अगर उधर भी तुम्हें जॉब के बारे में दिखाया गया कंप्लीटली 3 आवर्स,
It is not-
बोर्ड। अरे मूवी देखने आए हम,
No,
अपने
no.
जॉब को छोड़ के वीकेंड पे मूवी देखने जाते हैं ना लोग।
it is not.
देखा, वहीं पे गलत, वहीं पे इंडिया मार खा गई दीपा, वहीं पे इंडिया मार खा गई।
नहीं,
क्यों
मैं
नहीं?
बोल रही हूँ,
हाँ।
मैंने डिस्क्लेमर पहले दिया, emphasis should be given, but it also majorly depends on the type of the storyline.
हाँ, she's
is what
saying
I'm
if you
trying
want
to
to know
say.
about the take, go watch UGC.
No, it's not that. It's
Or
about
BBC.
it's about developing. So in Sitayan, how did we show that she's a software
So
professional?
I want
We
to
did.
ask you a question, Deepa. A person, an individual, do you think their work life defines them? No. Or yes?
No.
Are you sure
No.
about that? Because 1/3 of our life we spend, of our day, we spend towards being in the work. So you're saying that 1/3 of our life does not matter at all in forming a person?
I never said that, but you cannot define a person based on that.
No, I'm not saying that define alone. No, I'm not saying define.
बहुत लोग मजबूरी में जो जॉब मिलता है वो करते हैं. That doesn't mean that job itself is their personality and it depicts them. No.
So you're saying a person who serves in the army, they're not an army officer when they come back home, is it?
अगर ऐसा है, you are bringing your work back home, that's not correct.
That's not right to become. Exactly.
Part of your life, but it cannot be your whole life.
So you're saying that if you're a person who's actually living my principles during the day, you should not live my principles in the evening, right?
ए कुछ भी रैंडम
What?
कुछ आलतू तो कहीं और
देखो ना.
रैंडम कुछ भी बोलेगा. No,
Hey,
Deepa.
she just told you can't define that. That's what she said.
No,
It's
what-
wrong, she says. Categorically, she said wrong, she said.
No, what's wrong?
She said that wrong, right? She
That's
said,
wrong. No. That Deepa, absolute statements नहीं बोल सकते ऐसे. For that matter, the CEO of PepsiCo Food. The reason he's asking you the question is because we heard a recent interview of hers where she talked about how she has to hang up her CEO hat before she comes.
No, but she said that she does that only for her parents.
Yeah,
But
only
she
for-
preferred to have it on. Why
Yeah,
not?
the crown, she said,
Why
yeah,
not, Father?
yeah.
See, Father, when you go back home, do you ever give up the grandiousness what you have on air? No, right?
Oh, the grandiosity. What the heck are you talking about? The
the awesomeness which you are on air, would you stop it? No, right?
Uh,
It doesn't stop. It carries forward, right? In your
yeah,
case.
same thing. I mean, see, Deepa.
Like Deepa's so awesome on the air right now. You think she'll stop being awesome when she hangs up? No.
No. So Deepa, what
You are mixing two different things, also, Papa. You cannot say like that. ऐसे नहीं होता.
You can mix two different things. I mean, please tell me.
No. You अरे देखो, personality झलकती है work में. आप कैसे work करते हो, लेकिन जो काम करते हैं वही उसकी personality. You cannot just define that.
Okay.
कभी काम
Deepa, let's see, probably you might have
more to life than just work.
Deepa, hold on. You might find a supporter right now. Hold on a second. I'm going to mix two calls because we can't mix two people. Okay? Hello, namaskar. आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम के महिला उद्योग मंडेस में having a heated discussion between Faltwani and Deepa.
we are not having heated discussion against you.
Hi मेगा जी, कैसे हैं आप?
Hi, Megha.
Conference पे वाह, very good. मेगा जी welcome. अभी आ गई. मेगा जी, please bring us some words of wisdom into this. दीपा, मेगा जी को पैम बोलिएगा.
दीपा जी, आपके पॉइंट को मैं बोलना चाह रही हूँ. यू हैव हिट द नेल. आपने कहा ना कि हम मूवी नहीं देखने जाएंगे अगर वो मूवी नहीं होगी, क्योंकि विमेन ओरिएंटेड की स्टोरी लाइन ही नहीं बनती है. अगर आप पुरानी मूवी भी देखो, त्रिशूल का एग्जांपल लो, एक कंस्ट्रक्शन के मालिक की कहानी है. उस कहानी के अंदर उसकी प्रोफेशन को कितने अच्छे से दिखाया गया है. विमेन को लेके कहानी नहीं बनती है इस तरह से. कहानी उसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन की नहीं थी, कहानी उसमें उसके ऊपर उठने की थी. एंड ही लेफ्ट हिज वाइफ एंड डिड दैट. बट एक विमेन को लेके एक ऐसी कहानी नहीं बनती है.
Correct.
अगर हमने देखा छोटी सी बात में वेरी नाइसली उसका प्रोफेशन दिखाते हैं, वो एक टाइपिस्ट है. उसका टाइपिंग का प्रोफेशन दिखाते हैं, इस बंदे का प्रोफेशन दिखाते हैं. वहाँ उसको कम से कम उसकी रोल को मीट मिला, बट वो कुछ ही मूवीज में मिलता है मीट. तो वहाँ पे उसकी मूवी को, विद्या को मीट मिला एंड शी वाज शोन एज अ टाइपिस्ट. इन छोटी सी बात उसकी कहानी में इट वाज नॉट पोर्ट्रेड इन, बट उसके कैरेक्टर को बिल्ड किया गया. उसके डे टू डे ऑफिस जाती है, अकेली आती है तो उसके चैलेंज होता है कि लोग पीछे करते हैं, तो दो चैलेंजेस. बस में जाती है तो बस का चैलेंज दिखाया, बट एक वर्किंग वुमेन का चैलेंज बहुत कम मूवी में दिखाया गया. चैलेंज बहुत थोड़ा सा दिखाया गया उस मूवी में, और बहुत मूवीज में दिखाया जाता है कि मेन का चैलेंज. आर्मी का आपने एग्जांपल लिया. आर्मी इज आल्सो अगेन मेल डोमिनेंट. We are talking about lot of movies which are built by male, thinking about professions which male do and focuses on them. स्टोरी नहीं बनती है. You have nailed it. आपने ही अपनी बात को प्रूव किया है कि स्टोरी नहीं बनती है, तो हम वो वैसी मूवी देखने क्यों जाएंगे?
Yeah, Deepa, you actually, she's supporting whatever you're saying, by the way, if you want to respond to her. She's supporting whatever you're saying. Wonderful. Megha ji, thank you so much for that supporting call for Deepa. Deepa, excellent. Deepa, my God, you've got so many people supporting.
Where is she?
Deepa is there.
मैं इधर हूँ.
She's like, oh my God, why did I call Although Otherwise, she not be there the equation. That's what she's thinking.
No. Hey, wait. I want to say.
मैंने बोला, it's like आपने जो बोला ना, वही work cannot be defined just मतलब person ऐसा है जो वही काम. अगर ऐसा है तो दुनिया में सब लोग बहुत खुश होंगे. अपने पसंदीदा काम करने को सबको मिलेगा ना.
हाँ.
तो तब तो दुनिया तो बहुत ही like शांत ये रहेगा ना, like you know.
It will become afterwards, yeah.
So yeah.
हाँ, no, so इसको बोलते हैं like you know when you write a script or you write a screenplay or whatever, right? You have character development. जो character development जब
Yes.
आप करते हो at that time you have to look at all aspects of the character. And Deepa, I have to agree with Altu to an extent where he says, because I'm sure you do this as well, and so has Megha. There are our work life does influence our personality. It does.
ओवर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम अगर देखो क्या होता है ना, अभी लॉन्गर पीरियड लाइक 10 ईयर 15 ईयर और मे बी, तो अगर तुम उसी काम करते रहो कंटिन्यूअस, देन द क्वालिटीज माइट एम्बाइड यू एंड इट विल रिफ्लेक्ट इन योर डे टू डे लाइफ. लेकिन इट डजंट वर्क द अदर वे इन माय व्यू.
Huh? It doesn't work the other way, that your personality doesn't come into work.
नहीं, मैं बोल रही हूँ पर्सनालिटी डजंट डिफाइन योर वर्क. कभी कभी मिलते नहीं है ना हमारे पर्सनालिटी के हिसाब से जॉब, नहीं वो बोल रही हूँ.
नहीं मिलते नहीं की बात है, लेकिन every job is looking for a certain personality of their employee which is defined by their personal experience in life.
Right.
But anyway, good, that's fine, and we're not talking about that right now. आज वो टॉपिक नहीं, आज बस महिला उद्योग की बात कर रहे हैं. मेघा जी, thank you so much for your input on that thing. And Deepa,
Yeah,
I agree with you, Deepa. I
So
still love you,
did
Deepa.
Deepa give us the name of the movie?
No, she didn't. She's very smart that way.
अरे
अच्छा,
मैंने बोला ना
कौन से?
बधाई हो बोला, और मैंने
हमने हीरोइन के बारे में
3 बोला.
अरे
talk
hero,
about actress
in IT world, right?
no IT world.
हाँ बोला ना, उसका नाम तानिया मल्होत्रा कुछ है.
हाँ,
नहीं
okay.
रे, oh god, we are talking about
क्वेश्चन सुन ले दीपा, क्वेश्चन सुन ले. क्वेश्चन दूसरा है.
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन बोल
question-
रही है कि एक एक्ट्रेस के ऊपर
हाँ,
हाँ.
actress के
कौन सा
ऊपर.
मूवी बना है, एक एक्ट्रेस को डिफाइन करता हुए कौन से मूवी बने हैं आज के जमाने में और पुराने जमाने में.
Profession of acting.
Life of an actress, profession is actress.
No,
आईटी इंडस्ट्री, तो आईटी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में
आईटी नहीं, आईटी नहीं,
IT नहीं,
एक्ट्रेस,
actress.
एक्टर, हीरो हीरोइन, ऐसे वाले लोग जो होते हैं,
Movies में act करने वाले ऐसे.
जैसे शाहरुख खान हो गया, काजोल हो गई,
हीरोइन,
ऐश्वर्या राय हो गई, वो क्या है? They are actress, right?
हीरोइन
उनकी लाइफ के ऊपर मूवीज बने हैं.
So she's talking about heroine. Okay,
I
heroine one
asked for
movie.
2 movies, one from the yesteryears.
She talked about heroine. The movie
heroine is
यस्टर
recent.
ईयर.
Was that
यानी जय वगैरह अभिमान है.
What about the-
actor-
wasn't that Devanand and Vaishnavi Rahman movie actress? She's actress or she?
Guide.
No, she is a professional dancer.
Ah.
No, but we talk. There was a movie.
But that is very well characterization किया गया है.
Correct.
Because she leaves her husband because he doesn't support her. वो pursue her profession.
Uh-huh.
वो कथक डांसर रहती है, सिंगर रहती है.
हाँ
उसको
वो
stage पे performance
विषय से
करना
भटको
रहता
मत
है.
दीपा, मैं एक्ट्रेस के बारे में पूछ रही है. कौन सी मूवी बनी है? एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत एक्ट्रेस है आज भी, जिन्होंने इस मूवी में परफॉर्म किया था. गाने भी बहुत अच्छे थे. एंड
कनक जी को याद करो, हीरोइन को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं सोचो, तुमको आंसर मिल जाएगा.
हाँ,
Yeah.
हीरोइन को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
तो सोचो, कनक जी को याद कर आंसर दो.
अभिनेत्री.
वेरी गुड. और क्या हिंट किया मेघा जी, भाई
हाँ,
गुडनेस.
हाँ.
दीपा जी, मेघा जी को ट्रीट बनता है आफ्टर कोविड.
मेघा,
10%
अगर मेघा आएगी भी नहीं, हम लोग आ जाएंगे, मेघा का भी शेयर खा लेंगे, ठीक है?
हाँ, डोंट वरी. तो वेट करेगी ना दीपा, अभी इनवाइट नहीं करेगी हमें अभी.
अरे दीपा इनवाइट करे या ना करे, वो हम चले जाएंगे ना. अरे बाय द वे दीपा, मुझे ऑफलाइन बात करना है तेरे से. एक और समर में एक प्लान बन रहा है.
वाह.
विल टॉक.
वाह.
हाँ.
Thank you so much.
And same thing with you, Megha. We need to do our women's night. Sometime
It's not
soon.
women's, girls night.
Girls night.
हाँ.
Yeah. We need to
देखो,
talk.
मुझे रिमाइंड करना पड़ा था नाम क्या है उसका.
हाँ, thank you.
Very bad. Okay, anyway, thank you so much Deepa ji. Thank you Megha ji for calling us.
हाँ, thank you so much for calling us, you guys. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening.
Hello.
रख दिया उन्होंने फोन. तू रखना, तू क्या हेलो बोलता है?
देखा ना क्या रखेगी कि ताकि बोले कुछ
तू
बोलेगी.
क्या ये कि तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड है क्या? हाँ, तुम रखो. हाँ, no, you first करके.
अच्छा होता है क्या?
ऐसे होता है. तूने नहीं किया है?
No, never.
What?
Never फालतू नहीं.
You've never done that?
No,
No
I'm-
wonder you're still single.
What do you mean single? मतलब वो करने में डबल हो जाएंगे?
होता है आलतू बाबा.
Sorry.
खुशबू खुशबू
That's very juvenile.
का इश्क डूबा डूब का गहरा इश्क
Prashan Joshi ka lyrics Panajan from the movie Neerja. Very nice song. Equally nice discussion on air. And actually made wonderful by the wonderful participation of all our bandhus like you, Panajan. Deepa ji calling us all the way from Mountain House. Our Santa Clara se hamari Megha ji, everybody. And some people actually called all the way from Boston as well. If you want to join the conversation on air, Panajan, very simple. Dial the number 408-912-2479. Stay connected with us on social media through our Facebook page, facebook.com/Radio D Hotties. Download the app and stay connected with our wonderful music 24/7 by downloading the app Radio Day Hotties. Available for free download on iOS and also on the Android platform.
गीला हो जाऊं तू ही बंदिश मेरी धुन मेरी सरगम मेरी तू गुजारिश मेरी ख्वाहिश मेरी हमदम मेरी वो खुशबू खुशबा महका इश्क डूबा डूबता गहरा इश्क
And of course, Bajan, इसमें नीरजा की रोल निभाई है हमारी सोनम कपूर जी ने. And one of the, I really appreciate this particular movie, which actually was meant totally for upliftment of women, unemployed women and everything, Bajan. It was a very nice movie actually.
Right.
Which one, tell me?
Which one? Yeah. Viredi Wedding.
Viredi Wedding.
Upliftment of unemployed women achieves. What nonsense. They had A-list actor, yeah. That was Kareena Kapoor.
She doesn't have any role, by the way.
She does have a role.
Kareena Kapoor is out of business after she gave birth after she got married. As you know, Father, these are all the sad parts about industry and our people, by the way.
See?
Moment somebody gets married, gone, total something. I don't know what.
Nonsense.
Wait, we've had this
She
topic. I've
acted
done
in
research.
Kiyanka.
Wait, I've done. Let me finish what I'm saying, Fatwani. My point is, our Indian population does not accept women beyond 10 years of existence in the movie.
She has lasted beyond 10 years.
Well, her lasting is a different issue. As an A-list, I'm talking about, Fatwani.
As an
moment they get married, gone. I don't know why. Why is that? What is wrong with that?
Yet she's one of
See,
the
people
hottest
like-
actresses in Indian cinema.
Forget about hotness. Hotness is secondary. But the point I'm making is that they are accepted as heroines. Whether it's the people or whether it's the people who are making movies. Like, why do you think Katrina Kaif is still single right now?
Why is she still single?
She
Because
wants
it's
to
because
beat the
Salman
record.
hasn't popped the question yet.
No, if Salma might have popped the question, she might have said no because she wants to focus on the career and last beyond 20 years probably.
Altu Baba, did you forget about Kiyanka? Did you forget about what is that? What is that? Urta Punjab. Did you
Yeah,
forget
there was
about?
not main roles for her, man.
Hey, hello. What is good news?
Good news was she was not a main role. There was a young 25-year-old or 30-year-old person along with her, right?
Yeah, but
she was married to a 50-year-old man in the
Please,
movie.
Kareena totally carries the movie.
I'm not saying no. I totally love Kareena's the way her screen presence, everything is wonderful. But I'm saying people don't accept it that way. Samajh hai na baat? Like for Deepika Padukone, after marriage, what she got in
Who's
movies.
people? Yeah, who's people? You and I make up people,
That's what
right?
we're talking about today. No, Mahila Udyog. Udyog itself, don't worry about that. What about lasting in Indian movies, right? Heroine ki baat isliye baat kiya iske baare mein. Heroines, it's a tough world for them to live there because they have X amount of time. They got to make all the money and finally find somebody they can just latch on to. Historically speaking, everybody spends 10 years in a heroine role and then immediately after 10 years they find a businessman or an actor who will cling on to. Alia Bhatt, case in point.
But Alia Bhatt has got a string of movies, huh? She started very young.
Let her
by the time-
announce her marriage with Ranbir Kapoor. You take it in writing from me.
Yeah.
After that, everything go. Wee!
Well, technically, Banujan, I don't know. For me, I feel that Alia Bhatt, if you look at her movie, she's got very, very strong movies. She's got very good roles so far. This movie that's coming up, what is that? Gangubai Kathiawadi, right? Mm-hmm. For me, I felt that she's a misfit for that role.
Yeah.
It's just my thing.
But if you look at it, a movie called Hasina, which was done by Shraddha Kapoor, Shraddha Kapoor lived the role.
Really? You saw it?
I'm not seeing the movie, I've seen the promos of it, right? Wasn't that the production which actually was a flop for her?
Right.
This is that Hasina is the sister of Dawood, right?
Right.
The storytelling was that way, and she actually done an excellent job. I would say, as an actress, she has excelled. I'm talking about Shakti Kapoor's daughter.
Well, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of either one of their acting. I think...
When you compare, apples and oranges, definitely apples are much better than oranges, right?
What nonsense. That's not true. Oranges also good. People who like vitamin C and like the tart taste, they like oranges also. Be quiet. Each one is...
Well, I like fruit salads. I put them all together and have ice cream on it and I eat it that way. That's how I eat it. So for me, it's no big deal. I am equal opportunity to all fruits.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
true.
now Faltwani, we're coming to the close of our show already, right? now.
What?
Yes. When you have so much of fun, Faltwani, when people
This
like
is what happens when you
Deepa
Bhatkova.
call us. No, Bhatkova. Oh, you're saying Deepa Bhatkova.
No, at the
Deepa,
beginning.
I didn't say it, okay? She's saying that you Bhatkova the topic.
You Bhatkofied in the beginning.
I didn't say that. I was keeping mum all the while, Faltwani, because it was all about you, praising you.
Oh, what?
And oh my God, you're gloating. Ah, yes,
What?
Deepa. Wow, 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 Deepa. Wow.
Nonsensical fellow. Okay.
What? Excuse
Yeah,
me.
whatever.
Excuse me. You listen to the show, almost like around half of the show is only her praising you.
Oh, God. Whatever. Okay. Go ahead. What's the next one that you have lined up?
I have
for us?
nothing lined up. I was going to say, do you want to wrap up with a nice song?
You want to wrap up with a song? Okay, fine. What
Or
song?
you can do a rap yourself. Like, no, I'll do the beatboxing.
Well, we want to ask you, Manichan, can you tell us of well, no, we won't have time to take calls. Okay, this one I like.
Uh-huh.
Okay, this is another rare profession. Not as a singer,
Uh-huh.
not as a rocker,
Uh-huh.
but as a musician.
Not as a singer, not as a rocker. How can it be glamorous?
Wait,
Huh?
a music producer. A music producer. She writes music. She's a student of music and she's working with musicians.
musician, music writer.
Yeah, she writes music. She writes songs and she's composing. She puts together the beats.
I'm 100% sure the movie was a flop, correct?
No, the movie was a super duper hit.
Oh, really?
The first of its kind in Indian cinema to feature rap music.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my God,
Gully
rap
Boy.
music.
Gully Boy.
Who's the girl in that?
Kalki Kekla.
She's not the heroine in the movie.
It
Alia
doesn't
Bhatt is the
matter.
heroine.
It does not matter. She is also. See, this is the problem.
Oh,
All they
wow.
look at is okay, which is the
wow.
the,
So if you
the
can't take a
glamour
small
factor.
person who has a 15-minute presence in a particular movie, you'll say that's
Oh
the whole
my
movie
God.
definition of that.
Whatever. Whatever. It is not a 15-minute presence. She's a very significant presence because she's the one who encourages him to get into music.
Correct. I'm not saying no.
Yeah.
Was
so
there a movie totally about her? No, right?
no, it does.
It was about a boy, right?
Oh God.
Gully boy. Why was it gully girl?
We're talking
Why wasn't it a Ferengi girl otherwise?
Excuse me. It was Mahila Udyog. So don't argue with me
Mahila
about this.
Udyog. Oh my God. What do you mean don't argue with me on this one? Just because you're Mahila, I shouldn't argue with you. I will argue with you.
In
It's a
Tumhari.
birthright to have a discussion. I'm going to have a discussion. I'm
No,
going to debate.
you are wrong. Although this,
didn't say
we're
you're
talking
wrong.
about,
I'm
we're
saying
not
I'm
talking
right.
about the heroine playing the role of the work of the heroine. We talked about that movie, which is a stenographer in that Jaane Kaha Mera.
She's second heroine in that.
She's not a second heroine.
She has
What chutko
she
putko
has
role she's
45
got.
minutes of role presence in the particular movie. Go watch the movie. It's a 1.5 hours movie. Go watch it.
Whatever.
45 minutes. The story
It is
revolves
not a
around her.
1.5 hour movie. I tried watching the whole movie. I couldn't finish it. It was more than 2.5 hours.
Whatever it is. You couldn't
Yeah.
finish it. So that portion where she was supposed to be.
Nonsense.
Okay,
fellow.
fine. Class, what are you talking about? What is a music director? Fine. There's no other movie that way? Interesting.
I'm trying to see music producer, which is
Producer.
just a writer of music. I don't know.
I don't think so. Well, by the way, she's not a music producer in the particular movie, by the way, Faltwani.
She is.
She's not a writer of music, by the way. She's a music producer. Yes, you're right.
Yeah, music producer is what I'm talking
Gully
about.
Boy, mein, she doesn't write the music. She produced the movie music for them, and she becomes stepping stone for them.
Doesn't she actually like write and she has him come and record with her?
They don't come and record. They already have a record. She beautifies the record and she puts it on social media.
Oh, okay.
That's what she is. She's a marketing. She's a publishing agent, by the way. She's a
No, she's not a publicity agent. She is a musician in that movie. She's studying at Berkeley.
Correct.
She says that she's a student from there and she's a.
Here, the good thing is actually I'm focusing on the Faltwani.
Yeah.
I appreciate the fact that you have paid attention to those things and all. But that's what they should do more of. They should do a total movie about the profession. Why not Faltwani?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Everybody has a nice story to tell. Oh, we can do a soap opera about radio broadcasting in the Bay Area.
Who said that?
We can do, right? We can do a series that will continue for how many years, Although have we been on radio? 12 years,
12
right?
years, yeah.
Yeah, we can do a series that will last 12 years, 100%. Panchan.
Of course,
We
it'll
can tell you
be
every single day has got a twist and a turn.
Correct. Very true. Very true.
Seriously, we're not kidding.
Yeah.
You can do so
And
many.
every single day your heads will down. And then we're coming to close of our show right now, Faltwani. How about I just talk about this Asma the Pari? Totally dedicated to you, Faltwani. Because you're on air right now and you're Pari.
Yay! Okay.
No?
From the movie?
वायुसेना का एक ही मकसद है देश की रक्षा
Aha, देखा Faltwani, Desh Raksha.
को एक सिपाही बनना पड़ेगा
From the movie. भारत की बेटी है. What's the movie
आप
name?
सबकी ट्रेनिंग शुरू हो जाएगी Is that clear?
Saxena.
Is that clear?
वो तुरजा तुरजा
Gunjan Saxena film बन a biopic.
ना घबरना कभी वो ले जा तू उखाड़ के जमीन हो फुरजा 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 तू ना रुकना कभी, तू ना झुकना कभी, झीले 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 अपनी जिंदड़ी, वो मार झड़पा, वो चांद पे चढ़ जा।
और अब इसी के साथ में बोले वाले आप लोगों को कल मिलेंगे हम लोग ब्राइट एंड अर्ली विद अ गुड मॉर्निंग बे। तब तक के लिए गुड नाइट, शब खैर, प्यार भरा।
उड़ जा बन के आसमान पे बनी।
Collective fully down, cyclic fully back. Now level this, now helicardias, flare, cyclic back.